Y'all, I flipped a $150 account to five figures and lost it all in less than 48 hours. It wasn't because I couldn't trade. It wasn't because I didn't have strategy. It was because I didn't understand risk. And today, I'm breaking down the one skill that would have saved me thousands of dollars and years of frustration. This is the part of trading that nobody really teaches, and it's the reason why so many people blow accounts. Most new traders, they don't fail because they can't read charts. They fail because their risk is wild. They're picking position sizes based on vibes, not on math. They're guessing lot sizes. They're trading way too big for their stop losses. They're using the same risk on every pair, even though the conversion rate, it changes everything. Every blown account, it comes down to one thing. The lot size was way too big for the setup. Nobody taught me this in the beginning. Nobody said, hey, Kaci, only trade 0.5% or 0.25%. That way, you got to lose 200 trades. You got to lose 400 trades. You got to lose that many trades before you blow your account. Nobody told me that your lot size is a calculation and not a flex. That changed everything. There's a simple formula behind all of this. But the formula itself, it isn't the hard part. It's how you apply it to different pairs, different setups, and different stop losses. And that's what nobody is teaching. And the moment that this finally clicked for me was the day that I lost five figures in almost a day and a half. Let me tell you what happened. So I flipped a $150 account to about $11,000, $12,000, right? I was hyped. I was geeked. I was already spending the money. What I was going to do with it, it was going to be life-changing for me at that point, right? I didn't check conversion. I didn't check risk. I didn't check lot size. I didn't check anything. And I sized way too big on a JPY. I think it was JPY, on a JPY pair. And in less than a day and a half, y'all, I lost everything in that account. I was sick, right? I lost everything. I even took off work, but I lost everything in that account. And it wasn't because I didn't know how to trade. It wasn't because I wasn't a technical beast on the chart. It was simply because I did not know how to manage risk. That was the moment I decided I was done guessing. I built a rules-based system. I started sizing based on setups and not my emotions, and everything about my trading changed. And I'm building a step-by-step system so other traders don't have to learn the hard way like I did, right? In my coaching and in my courses, I think people pick up the setups, finding the setups easily. What stands to be the most difficult for people is learning how to manage risk. So I'm putting together something that's going to make sense for a lot of folks. It's going to simplify it. It's going to make it easy. This will no longer be a mystery. Now, it's not ready yet. It'll be live December 31st. But if you want early access, if you want to see the breakdown, if you want to see the step-by-step system, then you can go ahead, you can click the link in the video description below, and you will be notified as soon as it is available. Tell me in the comments below, what do you find most difficult about risk? Do you have a risk management plan? I'm going to take from these comments and I'm going to build out the rest of the course. I got in my mind what I want to do, but I want to make sure that I provide you guys the answers that you need in order to become a consistently profitable trader. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all soon, and I'll definitely keep you posted on what's going on. In the meantime, treat your money with respect. Strategy will come later, but if you can manage your risk, that's what's going to keep you in the game.